I allowed my heart to become so cruel as to imprison an idea of you. It's not your fault, it's my disease, and I must learn to set you free.